Not sure if grains are the problem? Here's one way to know for sure, and it doesn't require lab test or guessing. Sometimes it's gluten, sometimes it's FODMAPs, sometimes it's just the wrong grain in the wrong form for your body. This self-test will help you figure out what's helping and what's hurting. For the first 3 days, you will cut out all gluten-containing and high FODMAP grains. No wheat, bread, pasta, crackers, barley, rye, seitan, couscous, commercial baked goods. And say yes to quinoa, millet, brown rice, steel-cut oats, which is certified gluten-free. And keep your meals simple. No guessing ingredients. During this phase, log these 5 things twice a day in your tracker. Bloating, 0 to 5 scale, energy, mental clarity, poop quality, cravings, and use our Gutsphere app or just use our note apps with these 5 tags. Now it's time to challenge. On day 4, reintroduce one moderate portion of modern wheat. For example, 1 slide of standard white bread or 1 cup of cooked pasta. Then track. How do you feel 1 hour later? How's your digestion that evening? Any brain fog, bloat, sleep issues? Keep all other variables constant. Next up are fermented or ancient wheat. Maybe try 1 slice of real sourdough or 1 serving of incorn or spelt. Why? These have different gluten structures and often lower FODMAPs. See if your body handles them differently. And on day 6, taste a refined grain that's gluten-free, like white rice. If you crash afterward, feel sleepy, or crave more sugar, it's a blood sugar red flag, not a gluten one. On day 7, circle back to where we started. Eat only low FODMAP, low gluten grains again, brown rice, quinoa, millet. See if symptoms stabilize. Now look back on your log. Was day 4, which is modern wheat, worse than day 5 sourdough? You might be more sensitive to processing than to gluten. Did white rice spike fatigue or cravings? That's blood sugar. Did nothing bother you? You may not need to avoid grains at all. So recognizing pattern is power. And a bonus tip, track your stool quality too. Loose or urgent, that's a sign of FODMAP intolerance. Pebbly, hard or slow could mean low fiber. No change, maybe grains. Download the free Gutsphere app to self-experiment below. If you complete all 7 days and tag us at Gutsphere, we'd love to know how it went. In the next episode, we'll talk about mindset, because food fear is real and sometimes the problem isn't grain, it's the anxiety around it. Subscribe and stay curious, not restrictive.